Patrick. Hello guys, this is Marcelo. Welcome to my channel. Why subscribe today? Hey, we're playing aircraft sandbox. Yeah, wait, I don't think it's called aircraft sandbox. Let me see. Yeah, it is. It's called aircraft sandbox. How stupid I am. So, about this game. Nobody played this game before, so you never heard about it. So in this game, you can do shadows, fog. So if we put fog, we cannot see. So we are not gonna you know. So we got two planes, Airbus and Boeing 737 and an Airbus A320. We got morning, day, evening, and night. Let's try morning. So, in this game they have like cars. Everything is pixel. So we can just no quit to the back. So we can just get in a bus. So this is the bus. If you guys can see, it's just. This guy is so talented even though it's pixelated. So we cannot get in the airport. But this is the inside of the airport and this is the outside of the airport. We got this giant parking for no reason. Yeah, I'm using no clipping. But no clipping is free by the way. It's not expensive like other games. So this plane doesn't have pushback. So we got this guy, the worker. So we are gonna stop. No clip makes you to run. So this is the vehicle stairs. We're gonna start out in the back because the plane goes in the front. Yeah, this plane is a plain white Airbus A320 Neo. And the flag is unknown. It's not like IKEA or something. So, by the way, while I was playing the game, why is no clip is running? So if you just click the door, there's the leave button. So to get in, we should like this. No, what happened if I do no clip while I was at this game uses one hand, so you cannot just walk and turn at the same time. So done, we spawn here. So we can just make this wait, so I fixed it. So we got this shuttle. You can just open the doors. The doors are in the back isn't opening. Every shuttle bus, the back door is opening. This game doesn't have the physics, I guess. But at least they put shuttle buses in this game. You're by the way, this game doesn't have settings. So you cannot just change how to fly this plane or not. Alright, so we got this. This is the ground cruise center. If you use two hands, it will zoom. So this is the ground crew transfer or van. I even don't know why is there only one of them. Stop. So this plane can use like an ambulance. So we got ground crew services windows. We got air stairs 1, air stairs 2, shuttle 1, shuttle 2, and crew transfer. So let's close the door. Which door was it? Yeah, the back right door. Wait a second. Is this copy pasted? Because why there's no seats even though they have screens on it. So but by the way, emergency doors doesn't work. So you can go to the cockpit door even though you cannot just open the door. By the way, you cannot find the plane like this. You need to use camera control window. So you can just release brakes. What's it called again? No. Is it cockpit zoom? No, it's side view. Yeah, it's called side view. So we can find the plane. Open the lights, cabin on, navigation lights, strobe lights, the controllers. Oh, it's autopilot. This is the landing gear, right? Okay. So let's find this plane. And so I'm just gonna like do. So let's let's go to the runway for this wrong taxiway. Now we're at the runway, so let's take off. Oh yeah, I forgot to do fasten seatbelts.
Portable telephones are not approved for use in flight. However, you may use certain other electronic devices when advised by your crew. For everyone's safety, regulations require your compliance with all other signs, placards, and member instructions. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal fitting in the
Recording 1, this is recording 2.
around your hip. Release the space buckle. Stay released from the start located.
So we got all the trees. We got there's only like the airport is far by the way. I don't want to show it like we're just gonna like end this video already because my viewers are literally not watching this video. They are gonna probably skip it. So for the 7 minutes of this we can just do landing gear for the aviation. Let's do emergency landing. Bro, why did it change to trees? Bro, this is gonna be a hard landing. Yeah, see, I told you. How did it bounce literally a plane? How did it bounce? How did it destroy a whole plane? Wait, are we going down? No, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, Oh. So finally the plane is destroyed. So let's open the doors. Yeah, like I said, the emergency doors doesn't work. So this is road quality, by the way. So we can just use landing rights, but at least they have ground crew who cars. Okay, goodbye.